Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There were only 39 original episodes made, but all 39 were classic gems. Jackie Gleason was hilarious as Ralph Kramden, the hard-working, always complaining bus driver and husband of Alice, Audrey Meadows.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why did the Honeymooners end after just one season? Gleason said he decided to end the show because he wanted to leave while the show was still on top. He didn't want to wait until the show was failing before he called it quits.
Take our lead.
Randolph is the last surviving member of the Honeymooners quartet, which included Jackie Gleason as Ralph Kramden, Art Carney as Ed Norton, Audrey Meadows as Alice Kramden, after replacing a blacklisted Pert Kelton, and Randolph as Thelma, Trixie, Norton.
Take our lead.
However, she abruptly was dropped from her role because of being blacklisted and she was replaced by Audrey Meadows. Rather than acknowledge that she was blacklisted, her producers explained that her departure was based on alleged heart problems.
Take our lead.
Sheila McRae, a film, TV and stage actress who played Alice Kramden, wife of bus driver Ralph Kramden, on musical comedy episodes of The Honeymooners, featured as part of The Jackie Gleason Show, in the late 1960s, died on March 6 at the Lillian Booth Actors' Home in Englewood, New Jersey. She was 93.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Audrey Meadows, revered as the feisty Alice Kramden opposite Jackie Gleason's garrulous bus driver Ralph in television's comedy classic, The Honeymooners, has died. Meadows died of lung cancer at 8:50 p.m. Saturday at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, hospital spokesman Ron Wise said Sunday. Relatives said she was 69.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.